Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set full screen display for YouTube in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and then go to display, then go to camera cutout and here select YouTube. Select it, and by default it is set to auto means according to the compatibility of your phone, screen will appear. Okay, if you want to cut the camera area, you can use hide camera cutout. Now see in the YouTube, open YouTube and see here, the camera area is cut. Okay, if you want to get the full screen display, suppose if you are in this position, and if you would like to get full screen display for the YouTube, and what you have to do is just you have to select other option, show camera cutout. Now go to the YouTube and it will be in full screen. See here. So in this way you can easily set full screen display for YouTube in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. Not only for YouTube, for all other apps you can just select show camera cutout. That means it will be in full screen mode. Okay, by default it will be in auto. If auto does not working properly, then you can use show, first option, show camera cutout. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.